All right, we're gonna do a cold start with the valves open, but just for a second. I don't want this to be too loud. Yeah, we gotta kill that already. Yo, chat, look at that. What the hell? It's so cool that it's clear, man. Dude, they're dropping rocks from that thing or what? Dude, that is low. That is sick. Dude. My chest is taller than this. That's crazy. Wait, what's on the inside? Oh, it's camera gear. Holy crap, that's crazy. Sold out, bro. Sold out, brother. Let's hear it. Nah, that's crazy. Okay, so either no one knew about the carb meet or it died. So I'm gonna take my time to get to Carmel. I'm gonna see if there's any cars along the beach or in Cannery Row. And yeah, then we'll go to Carmel. Dude, that sounds crazy. Okay, the GT350s are still here, chat. Little BMW boy behind me. I think he's taking a video or pictures of the 350s too. Look at that beaut. Oh, it sounded good too. Dude, they sound so good. Everyone who owns a Porsche is on the beach right now. And my favorite, Toyota Supra. Man. I had to pull over for this one. Dude, what the hell is this? Oh my god, that is old. Chad, it's so pretty here, man. Even if you guys don't come up here for Car Week, you gotta just come up here in general. Guys, this is the most amount of traffic I've ever seen getting into Carmel. What do you mean it takes half an hour? This is probably a 5-10 minute drive max. All right, so the section right here, it's women-owned cars. So let's check that out first, and then the Ferrari event. There is so many Ferraris here. There is so many, man. This is one block out of like 6 or 7. This has always been a dream, the Ferrari California, because the top from up there will go inside of the trunk. It's a hard top. A whole nother block with more Ferraris, man.
Yeah, this is not good. Yeah. So, all the programs are, oh my God.
Yo, what the hell is that? Dude, what? That's crazy, bro. Alright, I know today's the Ferrari event, but I saw McLaren's on the side. I had to see him. Dude, look at the wheels. Oh my God. Oh, it's HREs, huh? Yeah. That's freaking crazy. Bereal logo, right, chat? Correct me if I'm wrong. Wait, that guy got a ticket. He got a ticket, man. Oh my God, bro. It's the Miata show. Like, Chad, what am I looking at? His ticket was 40 bucks. He got a ticket too. He's gonna start it, I think. Jesus, bro. Craziest Maseratis just parked at a gas station. Dude, the wheels are crazy too. Dude, you could feel the heat from that Lamborghini, and I was like 10 feet away from it. All right, really chat, that's all the events that are in Carmel today. I may go back out later. I'm not sure. It just depends on like how much footage I got. If this video is like over 10 minutes, then I probably won't go back out there. With that said, hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like. I need to eat, man. I have not ate. Oh, dude, that's a nice yellow Supra right there, man. I want a Supra, bro. But yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys later.